Let me ask you a simple but important question. How many potential customers did your business lose in a month, not because you didn't have inquiries, but because those inquiries were not managed properly? If your sales team is using a mix of Excel sheets, WhatsApp messages, emails, and a bunch of CRM tools, and yet things seem unorganized, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll explain you the real problem business face with lead management, why off-the-shelf CRMs fail, and how Eiosys, a custom software development company, can help you build a custom CRM designed around your real sales process. So let's get started. The real business problem. In today's digital world, leads come from everywhere. Online ads, emails, phone calls, references, social media platforms, and so on. But the problem is not in getting leads. The problem lies in managing them properly. In many organizations, leads are not stored in one single place. Or even if they are saved, they are in the form of a lengthy Excel file with hundreds of columns. Sales team don't have a complete history of client communication. Clients' interactions are not recorded properly. Follow-ups are delayed or completely missed. Thus, the management doesn't have a clear visibility of the sales pipeline. In most of the cases, sales team work reactively rather than working strategically. This leads to customers receiving inconsistent communication, which ultimately leads to loss in business revenue. Why off-the-shelf CRM tools fail? To solve the business problems which I mentioned earlier, companies invest in off-the-shelf CRM tools. However, these CRM tools are made for a wide range of industries and business models. Hence, they are generic by nature. Your sales cycle, reporting format, follow-up structure, and approval processes are unique, but the CRM tools are not. Hence, many companies end up adjusting their workflows to fit in the working of these CRM tools. Additionally, these CRM tools are packed with hundreds of features that are not really utilized but adds to the learning curve and friction. Over the course of time, teams find these CRM tools difficult to use, their adoption rate drops, data becomes unreliable, and the real value which the CRM was brought to deliver is not achieved. Now let's understand what a custom CRM tool is. A custom CRM is built exclusively for your business. It is designed to accommodate how leads are generated in your company, how your sales team operates, how you onboard a customer, how your customers are serviced, and how your management tracks performance. Instead of forcing standard workflows on you, a custom CRM is built around your processes. Hence, it is far easier to use and far more effective in practice. We use a business-first approach when developing the CRMs. We interact with your sales team and management to understand the processes they use on a day-to-day basis. We study them, identify gaps and any inefficiencies. We do not add any features in the CRM that your team doesn't use on a day-to-day basis. Similarly, we use the same terms and jargons that they use in the office in the CRM. Hence, it is very easy to learn. Even if you have a new colleague joining your company, he will find it very easy to adapt. If you are looking to design a custom CRM tool, please visit my website www.eiosys.com and fill in the inquiry form so one of our sales team members can get in touch with you. Also, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more interesting content. Thank you.